How to make a walking paper horse. Wow, it is just amazing. Let's learn how to make it. First of all, note that figure that help us in making paper horse. ये फिगर मेरे लिए थोड़ी सी मुश्किल थी बनाना, so my mom helped me in drawing that figure on paper. Mind it, figure should be accurate. Otherwise, the horse will not be able to walk. The paper horse walks on science facts. It's not a magic, friends. It converts potential energy of horse into kinetic energy. Now it is almost ready. Now we'll slightly tilt its edges. This will help it in walking. Now we'll accurately and neatly cut it. Must round the edges from the inner corner. Now we'll fold it perfectly. Let's see how it works. Wow, my paper horse is walking on the table. Want to know how it works? On flat surface, you have to blow some air from its backside and it will move forward. On steep surface, like a slope, it will move on its own. It is just amazing. Must try and enjoy.